Hello and welcome to all of our viewers from around the world. We have quite a game in prospect here, just waiting for the players to emerge, and we will be underway. My name's Peter Drury, and here's my co-commentator for the game, it's Jim Beglin.
Hello Peter, and hello to everyone watching. For me, it's a real thrill to be here.
There will be a throw-in. That's not going to go down too well with his teammates. This is gone, that's a foul. Rakitic. It's a long forward pass. They're guilty of lacking inventiveness here, it's all broken down. And it's Luis Suarez. Messi. Messi! Oh, no shortage of confidence there.
Oh, that's just lovely skill. He's certainly a player who can single-handedly make a difference. Great talent.
That is a poor kick by the keeper. Being intercepted. Tries a through ball. Clears it out of harm's way. Barcelona looking really energetic early on. It is a high press. The ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. Luis Suarez with the ball through. Third of the match or thereabouts gone, and we still await the first goal. So what now? Ball's gone out of play. Loose ball, who's going to get that? Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. It's broken loose. And it's another assault on goal.
Well, for me, he had a very decent crack at it, but it has to be said that the odds on those from distance were never really that good, and you'd always favour the keeper in that instance.
Messi. It's Luis Suarez! Managed to get it away. Looking cross-field, changing the point of attack. It's a good-looking cross. Piqué. Barcelona have made this tremendous start, Jim. What's the reason for it?
Well, I think team spirit. I think it's something that often gets overlooked, but this team has it in abundance. There's an unselfishness about them. They work for each other, and then some.
Messi. Well, the ball's come loose, and the chase is on. Demanding a quick ball here. Oh, good interception. Aimed long and direct. Out towards the flank. Neymar. Luis Suarez. Neymar. Looks to slip it through. Goal! Barcelona! Barcelona are in front! To look back on that goal.
Yeah, and anything that's hit low with real pace like that makes it so much harder for the keeper, and he was never going to get to that.
Barcelona take the lead.
Listen, it's no surprise to me as to who scored the goal. When you look through this team, he's the standout performer with a whole repertoire of different talents. He'll do for me every time.
Looks like a good ball through. And that'll go straight through to the keeper. Barcelona scoring close to half-time to make it 1-0. Thrust towards the front line. And he's through on goal. Jordi Alba. There's the whistle for half-time. How do you look back on the first 45 minutes?
Well, the advantage might be a slender one, but all the evidence points to a much more successful second half. They've got so much power compared to this opposition, and it's just a case of finding that extra gear, and I think they'll power on through.
Barcelona, the happier of the teams, heading in for half-time, 1-0 up.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Jordi Alba, he's on a run down the left wing. Neymar tries to head towards goal. Barcelona come here off the back of that highly entertaining 2-2 draw. Fine defending there. So still just a goal between them. Iniesta. Neymar. It's a promising run he's making on the right. With a delicate ball. Iniesta. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Barcelona need to make a change here. Now the pass. Keeper's got good distance on that. Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted. Neymar passes it through, and he's shown him a clean pair of heels. It's a loose ball. He can get that clear. Well, there is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Aimed in towards the centre. Gets good distance on it. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Questions were asked, but he's given the answers. Not much subtlety, he's launched himself there. Sergio Busquets. Mascherano. And it's Neymar. Looks to slip it through. Messi with the ball through. It's come loose. Really well taken goal. 2 to the good, they have breathing space. Luis Suarez was quick to move in, keeper's handling wasn't great.
Well, for me, that's just pure predatory brilliance. It's not so much the finish, but the way he read the situation when nobody else was even alert to it. It's fantastic.
Barcelona take a 2-goal lead, and things should be comfortable from here on in.
Well, at 1-0 this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
They are rampant! Surely now, beyond all doubt. Perfect placement, the one place the keeper couldn't reach.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
Barcelona take a 3-goal lead, and they are romping out of sight. Shot at goal!
To be fair, that was tough for the keeper to handle.
He's off on a marauding run. Just the keeper to beat. Neymar. Neymar! Neymar! One of a type! He's brilliant! They are running riot! Calm, composed, confident. What a super goal.
I just thought he knew exactly what he was doing by feigning to move one way and then readjusting back. Controlled trickery.
Barcelona tear their opponents apart once again. They are utterly ruthless. Sergio Busquets. Iniesta. Looks like a good ball through. Now it's Luis Suarez. Goal! Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Now that's what I call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively who was where and didn't need to waste any time weighing things up. That's a cracking goal.
He snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
Oh, this has been an immense contribution from one player. He's been just about unplayable. The irresistible force today.
Iniesta, there's a definite foul there. Oh, he's come up against a brick wall there. Iniesta goes on a charge down the left. Iniesta. Added time is up, and there goes the whistle. Barcelona were irresistible here. Dominance, utterly ruthless. Only ever one result, a comfortable win.